It was 18 years ago, almost to the day. A sunny day with leaves just turning. The touchlines new ruled. Since I watched you play your first game of football, then, like a satellite wrenched from its orbit, go drifting away. Behind a scatter of schoolboys, I can see you walking away from me towards the school, with the pathos of a half-fledged thing set free into the wilderness. The gait of one who finds no path where the path should be. The hesitant figure, eddying away like a winged seed loosened from its parent's stern. There's something I never quite grasped to convey about nature's give and take. The small, the scorching ordeals which fire one's irresolute clay. I've had worse partings, but none that so gnaws at my mind. Still, perhaps it is roughly saying what God alone could perfectly show, how selfhood begins with a walking away, and love